Welcome back, everybody!
Here we are. We got
All right.
some risen croissants.
Risen and more risen, and we just want to show you, this is going to be a quick pop in, and we'll come back after they're all done, but we just want to show you what they should look like before they go into the oven. So they should be...
So on a quick note, I just want to let you all know that rolling out the earth balance for these, it's a little thinner, but it worked pretty much the same. It was just the same. So, yep.
So they're just like, if you touch them, they're just like...
There's like a little spring.
Yeah. And these need a little bit more time because they were done about 40 minutes after these were done.
Yeah, you can
so
see
we'll come back on when everything is done and when there's people. We actually already have people here ready to test. So these are going in the oven in a second. But what I wanted to show you was the egg wash. So in this, we have 1 egg with a pinch of sugar and a pinch of salt, and just stir it up, scramble it up till it's all even. And then
another brush.
I don't have another brush. We're gonna have to wash in between.
Oh, we should have done that one first.
I know. It's okay. You're gooey. So what you want to do is just gently, because they're kind of poofy, just give it an even coat all the way down to the base, and
it'll give it a nice shine.
Nice crispy shine,
nice.
and it actually helps. Yeah, it helps make those crispy outer layers for sure. Now the dairy-free ones, we're not going to do an egg wash on because we thought, well, let's test it to see like what a full vegan version would be like.
Yeah.
Thank you, Phoebe. Yep. What would I do without her? I don't know. So yeah, full vegan version. I have baked them before with absolutely nothing on them, but we're going to try just a water, like a quick wash with water.
Just to give them a little moisture on the outside.
Yeah, because that'll help create a bit of a crust that distinguish from the inside. Yeah. In the testing phase, we don't know yet. We can't definitively say anything, and that's okay. We just got to try it all. And also, I'm not sure if anyone's going to be hopping on to this one, but I wanted to let everyone know that I am going to be giving away a baking guide to somebody who has commented on one of the 3 lives that we do. So I already have the list of people who commented on the first one. If anyone pops on and says something on this one, you'll be added to the list, and then we'll do the last one, and then we'll do like a little random.
Then we'll do a draw.
And you can get a baking guide for free. Yay! All right. We'll get these done, and then we'll pop them in the oven. So they go in the oven at 500 degrees. And make sure your oven is completely up to temperature by the time you put the croissants in.
We've got our oven heated right now to 500. So
sitting there for a little bit. So if you know how long it takes your oven to get there, then you can start preheating it, prior to the what you expect,
the fully risen
2 hours. Yeah. And then if you need to wait a little bit longer because the croissants need a little bit more time to finish getting puffy enough, that's fine. Better to wait than to put them in when the oven isn't hot enough. All right, and then we've got our one little pan au chocolat. Okay, easy peasy.
Awesome.
So you can rinse that off.
Here, I'm going to give that to you.
Okay, no eggs for those. Yeah, so same process. We're just going to do the same thing with water on the dairy-free version. We're going to bake these separately because I don't want to take the chance that the different racks in the oven do different things to the croissants. I want to be able to compare these like side by side for taste testing. So yeah, I'm just going to throw this in the oven, and we'll be back when they're both all completely done. So say goodbye.
Awesome.
Bye.
Bye.